Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on languages and input and pick languages, which are at the top. Here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's simply tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically find yours and tap on it. Sometimes you can also pick the region, so just tap on the one you'd like to set. And as you can see, the French language will immediately, of course French in my case, will immediately appear on this list, but the English is still a main one. So all we have to do is to reorder those languages. So let's tap on the language and hold it, and then drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, within a second, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and drag it to the first position. And again, we've got English. Of course, if you want to, you can remove the languages from this list. Tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now let's mark the language. I will remove French and tap on the trash bin icon. Confirm it. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.